Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And it is Mystery Box Monday unboxing. Yes, it is Friday and time to show you everything that's in the mystery box. So remember, this week's theme was hair care box. So that means everything that is in this box has to do with your hair, whether it has the word hair in it, something to put in your hair, something to protect your hair, something to do with hair. And the hair we're talking about is the hair on your head, no other types of hair on your body, just the hair on your head. So guys, let's jump right into it and let's get started. So there are 16 items in this box. Again, it is the hair care box. This box retails for $125. It sells for $40. This box is extremely heavy. It weighs almost 10 pounds. So if anyone bought this box, they did pay the $12.50 shipping if they were not local to Harrisburg. For those of you who are just joining us or have never participated in our Mystery Box Monday event, how it works is I go live every single Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, both on Facebook and on YouTube. I present a box, the mystery box. Each week, the box has a different theme, a different size, different contents, different value, and different selling costs. Then I give you guys 10 clues, sometimes more, depending on how generous I'm feeling or how interactive the group is. And you guys try to guess what's in the box. I don't tell you whether your guesses are right or wrong because I don't want to spoil it for the person purchasing the box because it is a mystery box. The difference between my mystery boxes and the mystery boxes that you may see on other channels or other platforms is that everything in this box is of quality. There's no jokes. There's no funny stuff with the boxes. Everything is of high quality because I want you to feel good about making a purchase, and I want you to make sure that, well, I want to make sure that you can stretch your dollar just a little bit longer and get things that you're going to need or use for your family. So this is the hair care box. There's 16 items. It's $125 and it sells for $40. Then on Friday at 8 p.m., I show a pre-recorded video, just like this video here, of everything that was in the box. That way, if you were on the live on Monday and you weren't sure about purchasing the box because you just, didn't feel secure, you never purchased anything from me before, and you were just a little shaky or on the fence, you get to see what was in the box and all the contents on Friday at 8 p.m. in this pre-recorded video. Then hopefully you'll come back Monday and you'll purchase the next week's box. So let's go right into opening and unboxing. This box is heavy, guys. It weighs almost 10 pounds. The mystery box, okay? All right, again, it's 16 items. It's the hair care box, retails for $125, sells for $40. So the first clue was that there was something electric in here. So let's pull that out. Oh, God, hold on, guys. Things are falling out of the box. As always. Because you guys know I stuffed the box. Okay, I'm just going to hold it with one hand. So the thing that was electric is the Hot Sticks Instant Heat Curling Iron. It's an automatic shut-off. Heats up in 30 seconds, has 25 heat settings, and it is made by Conair. And it is a 1/2-inch barrel. So Conair curling iron. Okay, so that is the first item. And that goes with the clue, something electric. It says there's something in here that protects your hair from breakage, and that is this. It's a wide band satin bonnet cap. Okay, and then I also said that there were a total of 3 things in here that keeps your hair from breaking, but this one in particular, you usually use at night. So that's why I gave the clue, because we usually put these on at night when we're sleeping to protect our hair from our sheets and covers and blankets and things. I said there was a gold bottle in here that protects your hair. Let's see if I can get that. And I said if you guys could guess the brand, that I would tell you if you were right. So the brand is Pantene, and it is Pantene Heat Primer. Okay, so this is a thermal heat protector, so it helps protect hair up to 450 degrees. So you spray this on your hair before you like use your flat iron or your blow dryer or your curling iron things. So Pantene Gold Series. There is a brand in here that starts with a C. And there's a couple brands in here that starts with a C, as you can see, Conair. But this one in particular I was looking for was Cantu. And then I said the brand that starts with a C also is really popular amongst teenagers. So this is Cantu Shea Butter Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. So the reason I said this was very popular amongst teenagers, because a lot of the teenagers use this for their edges and to, they make videos drawing their sideburns and their baby hairs and all things like that. Like this is all over TikTok, all over YouTube, all over Facebook Reels. So that's why I gave that particular clue. I said there was a brand of hair mask in here. And I said there's actually two. So, there I am dropping stuff out of the box. So the hair masks that I included were the Shea Moisture hair mask. So it's the Manuka Honey and Mafora Oil Intensive Hydration hair mask with fig extract and Booba oil. That's this one. And then the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, apple cider, and vinegar. So those are the two Shea Moisture masks. I said there was something in here with teeth. So that is this Goody Comb. There's a 61-piece set in here. That is this. 61 scrunchies are on here. All different colors. And these are no damage, no metal parts. And then it also comes with this huge, this is like a bobby pin, huge bobby pin clip. I said there was something in here with shea butter. There's actually a couple things in here with shea butter. So this, is it this mask? Oh no. This mask here has shea butter in it. And this has shea butter. And I think there's something else in here with shea butter too. I'll get to it. I said there's a high-end brand in here. And the high-end brand has a unique shape bottle, a shape that I've never seen other products before. And that is Nexus. As you can see, Nexus has its own unique shaped bottle. This is a high-end brand. This shampoo retails for $18. So I've never seen any other shampoo or conditioner that's in a bottle shaped like this. So that's why I said it has its own unique shape. There's something in this box with vitamin B, vitamin 6, and aloe extract. And that would be the Garnier shampoo and conditioner. I gotta wipe this off. I don't know what I did. I must have not had this closed because it was a leaking a little bit. Okay. Garnier shampoo and conditioner. I'll leave that right there. And you can see it says on there B3, B6, aloe, and extract. This smells really good. Alrighty. I said there's something in here in a box. So that would be the Clairol Natural Instincts hair dye. Then these other things I gave some clues for. So I said about shea butter. So here's some Suave travel size shampoo and conditioner. And as you can see, they both have shea butter in those. I love shea butter, guys. I think I said that before. I think I say it all the time. Okay, I didn't really give a clue for this, but well, I did say there's 3 things in here that protects your hair from breakage. So here is some Dove breakage conditioner. And then the last 2 things in the box are some Pantene Natural Fusion shampoo and conditioner with, and this has avocado in it. Okay, guys, so this is everything that is in the hair care box. Just arranging it so you guys can see it better. Everything that's in the hair care box. So I don't know how many guesses you guys had right, but I'm hoping you guys had quite a few. And I just thank you guys so much for tuning in every Monday at 8 p.m. and participating in the video. We have so much fun. And even if you don't plan on purchasing the box, just come on just to see, you know, what's in the box. Play the game with us. See how many guesses you have right, because it's all in fun. We do a lot of joking and laughing and having a good time. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully you will tune in this coming Monday at 8 p.m. I'm going to tell you now what the box is going to be. We are going to be doing a kids box, specifically for a girl. The box is going to be a girl's box, and there are going to be tons and tons and tons of items in the box that you haven't seen before. And as a surprise, I'm doing a second box, which is going to be a pink box. Pinky Custodero box from Happy Days, if any of you guys are old enough to know about Happy Days. So we're going to have 2 boxes on Monday. One's going to be a girl's box and one's going to be a pink box. So you'll have the opportunity to play along with 2 boxes and to buy 2 boxes. So again, I thank you guys so much for your dedication. And until the next time, keep on saving.